Hello, my name's Selwyn from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A5 Avant Edition 1. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass, adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi skateboard dash. And as you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display, going into maps to help you easily find your desired destination. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys, and telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and the Audi phone box with wireless charging. 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi A5 Avant is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.